Welcome back, everyone. I'm Big Jim. Welcome to Big Jim's Kitchen. This channel is to show you step-by-step instructions on how to make different recipes I've learned throughout the years. Some easy, some not so easy, some healthy, some not so healthy. Today's recipe, if you haven't already clicked, or I should say seen the thumbnail, we are going to be making a shepherd's pie. Now, normally shepherd's pie is traditionally made with ground lamb, but we're going to be using ground beef, which would technically make it a cottage pie, but I'm calling it shepherd's pie because everyone's more familiar with that. So, the ingredients we're going to need today are some Worcestershire sauce, some tomato paste, some seasonings, a diced onion, your ground beef, a couple of bags of frozen peas and carrots, and some corn, some cheddar to mix in with your mashed potatoes topping, a packet of brown gravy mix, some chicken stock, along with a couple of packages of instant mashed potatoes. So, and also, before I get too far in, I'm going to make a plug for Midlife Crisis Spices. This particular one is particularly tasty. It's called Pinch-A-Loaf. It is for making your at-home meatloaf. So, go to midlifecrisisspices.com, check it out, you do online ordering. Now, let's get cooking. I did forget to mention that we're going to want a little bit of butter for this, because we're going to start off with cooking down some of this onion. Going to cook this down until it gets just a little bit translucent, and then we're going to go. Now the onion is cooked down a little bit. Let's add the beef and cook this until it's brown. Now that we got our meat browned decently enough, let's go ahead and add some seasonings. Some pepper. A little bit of salt. Our worcheshire. Stir it up a little bit more. Then we're going to place this to the side and put the other ingredients into a bowl and mix it up and add this. Matter of fact, before I get too far, I'm going to go ahead and put in the tomato paste so it smooths out a little bit more faster and easier in the pan. Stir this up real good. There. That makes it a lot better than if you just mixed it cold. When you mix it in the bowl, go ahead and put in your peas and carrots, along with your corn. And off camera, I add about half a cup of water and put in the gravy mix and stirred it up real good, get rid of all the lumps. Go ahead and add that to your mixture. Now I'll go ahead and bring in the beef. Mix this up real well. If I haven't already mentioned it, I think I have, but if I haven't already mentioned it, go ahead and start preheating your oven to 350. Now let's prep the potatoes. To do these mashed potatoes, there's really not much to it. I'm going to be using these 4 cheese mashed potatoes. Turn on your stove. Go ahead and put in your 2 cups of chicken broth. Bring it to a boil and then mix in your mashed potatoes. And this one, we're also going to be adding some mild cheddar. Now that we're at a rolling boil, go ahead and add the potatoes. Turn the heat off. Stir these up real good. Now while these are still hot, add some cheese. Add our meat and vegetable combination to the pan. Level it out best you can. Get it nice and smoothed out. Go ahead and start adding your potatoes. If one packet wasn't enough, I'll go ahead and make another one off camera and add to this. Do the same thing here, just smooth it out. This is clearly not going to be enough, so I'm going to have to make another one off camera. After you've finished up with your layer of potatoes, go ahead and toss it in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes. Oh, that's pretty. Now that it's cooled off, let's try it out. This is really good. Since the weather's starting to cool off a little bit, this would be perfect to eat on a nice fall afternoon when it's nice and chilly outside. Good comfort food right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.